the sales representative for Mandalay in the United States of America. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Quest 9 biofeedback system. So in front of me you see the retail packaging box. It's a very sturdy, strong box, and we recommend that after you take everything out of the box that you keep the box, and you might need to use it in the future. So the first thing is we take off the top, and inside you're going to find the folder which has information in the folder. You're going to find the checklist of everything that should be in the box, so you can go down the list and verify that everything is in the box, and we'll do that today. Then you're going to find a letter from Mandalay, as well as the Declaration of Conformity, which is an important document as well. So in addition to that, you're going to see here at the bottom a warranty card. This warranty card will have your name, your serial number, and the date the warranty expires. And the first thing on the checklist is the Quest 9 device. And so we're going to take the Quest 9 device out of the pouch. It has a nice carrying pouch to keep your device free from scratches as you travel with it. And here you'll find the Quest 9 device. On the front of the device, you're going to see the ports for the head and the limb harness, the Quest 9 title, and this is where your LED lights will show up for your clients to actually see that something is happening. The test plate is on the top, and on the rear of the device you're going to see the serial number, the accessory ports, the on-off button, and the port for your USB cable to plug in. So there's your Quest 9 device. The second thing on the checklist is the head harness and the limb harness. So we'll open up that pouch. So the first thing is the head harness. And you'll see the head harness here. This is the connector that would plug into the gray port on the front of the device. This is where you plug it in. There's an arrow on the plug to show you exactly how to plug it in, and that it's a quick release. Now the way the head harness is packaged, it shows the 8 electrodes on the outside. But actually, when you put it on, the 8 electrodes actually will be on your forehead. Next on the list is the limb harness, which consists of 2 parts. So you'll have the wires, which the blue colored wire goes into the blue port on the front of the device. And then you have the color-coded connectors, red, yellow, black, and blue. And those attach to the conductive rubber harness straps right here. And you'll have 4 of these, and they easily snap onto each rubber connector. And then next on the list you have your USB cable. The wide end connects to the computer, and the square end connects to the back of the Quest 9. Next on the list is this small little pen drive or thumb drive, also called a flash drive. You just screw the end off, and it's a USB flash drive. So you can plug this into your computer, and the software is on here for installing onto your computer, and some other documents are on here as well. Now, you have these 2 lifting pieces to lift the top of the box up. And then inside you will find a very nice carrying case. Now the carrying case is large enough to fit most 15-inch laptops, as well as all of the equipment we just showed you. And it has a handle for carrying, and also for a backpack. And that covers everything that is on the checklist. And this is the Quest 9 system. We hope you enjoy your new Quest 9. Thank you very much.